Hi, in this lesson we are going to create post-process volume. So first of all, I will create a new level. In order to create a new level, we have to go to the file and click on new level. So at present, I'm going to select the basic level. So click on and create. So after creating a layer, now we need to save it in the content browser. So in order to save the level in the content browser, we need to go to file and click on save current level. So if you want, you can create the folder here. So in order to create the folder, you can like right click and click on new folder. And let's say we'll call it as maps. And here you can give the name of the map. So new map and click on save. And also now, if you see here, it has been created a new map here. And also just I will go to file and click on save all. So what is post-process volume is if you want to change the look of the game, we need an post-process volume. For example, if you want to make the level darker or cold, so if you totally want to change the light settings or something, we need to create a post-process volume here. So in order to create the post-process volume, here we have to go to create and go to volumes. And here we can see there is an option post-process volume. Or else we can go to the visual effects and here there is an option post process volume here. So now click on this post process volume. So now here you can see it has been created one box here. So when you select the post process volume here right side you can see there are a lot of options in the details panel here. So this is nothing but to change the look of the game. For example, suppose if you go to like temperature. So here you can see there is an option like temperature. So if you click on this, if you change the values, so nothing is happening. Actually, what the thing is, suppose if we go into the box, then only we can see the changes of the post-process volume. So suppose if you go out of this, then it will change the look of the game. Suppose if you put the value to a little bit less or something, suppose if you go into the post-processing volume, then it will change the look of the game. This is like what the thing is in example, suppose if I scale this post process volume here. Okay, so now what the thing is, for example, let's take any like multiplayer games, like let's say like we will take like Blade and Soul. So in Blade and Soul we'll have a lot of dungeons. So when we are outside the dungeon, the look of the game will be different. When we go inside, the look of the game will be different. So in this way, we will use this post-processing volume. So we can change the look of the game according to the area here. So not only temperature, suppose if you go to the image effects and suppose if you enable this vignette, then see now if you go inside the post-processing volume, it will change the look of the game here. And if you go outside and it will change again. So what the thing is, this will affect only when you are inside the box. So let's adjust, I will make it like default, like image effect. And just uncheck this. Now suppose if you open this temperature, let's say I will enable the temperature here now. Suppose in case if you want to apply this post process volume to total level. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can scroll down in the details panel and here there is an option like post process volume settings here, and in this if you select this option like infinite extent, so if you click on this then it will affect to the total level. It doesn't matter size of the box here, even though if you go inside and outside the look of the game will be same here. So if you go to the temperature and if you change the volume, so it will change the total look of the game here. So in this way, we can use the post-processing volume. So according to your requirement, we can scale it, or else if you want to use it total level, we can use this option, infinite extent.